Okay, it's April 8th, it's noon Central Time, and this is the most aggressive chemtrailing I have ever seen on any satellite map. And this is completely centered on the growing area of California, the San Joaquin Valley. And the purpose of chemtrails is to completely turn off the rain and also to poison with aluminum and strontium and barium. But this is proof that chemtrails are not designed to slow down global warming. Chemtrails, the purpose of chemtrails is to stop rain and to be able to control and reduce the food supply. This is the primary vegetable growing area for North America or for the United States, but if we can also look at Mexico and see, okay, here's the Goes East satellite. It's identical. We see the same image from a different satellite, so there's no way for someone to say, oh well, this is just a satellite imaging problem. No, it's not. They are chemtrailing extremely aggressive to stop any possibility of precipitation today. And this area of Mexico is the growing area. Now, by chemtrailing, they completely shut down the possibility of rain because chemtrails are very high up and they form a hot air layer, which is called a thermal inversion. And that prevents thunderstorms from convecting up high enough to actually make rain. So when you have chemtrails, there is no rain. I just cannot stress that enough. Chemtrails stop rain, just as HAARP downburst totally will shut down an active rain storm system. You'll have to look at my other videos to get the details on that. But this particular action in the San Joaquin Valley of California today, this morning at daybreak, is actually an open declaration of war. They have never done this so intensely before. Plus, they're not using just the little civilian jets. They are using the big, heavy chemtrail applicators, which they normally only use in the deep ocean, because these are immediately 5 miles wide. Anybody can look at this and say, wow, there's something terribly wrong. And also, the jet stream is going northeast right here. And they always lay the chemtrails at a right angle, perpendicular to the jet stream. That causes it to smear out very quickly and destroys the evidence. But this is a declaration of war on the American people. They're saying, we know you guys can see these. We know that you know these are some kind of harmful thing, and we don't care what you know because you can't stop us. This is a declaration of open warfare. I have never seen this in years of watching satellite maps. This is the most intense, daytime, focused chemtrailing I have ever seen. Do not expect any produce from California, and the produce that you do get is poisoned with aluminum and barium. Folks, we have got to stop this. Our planet will be dead in 20 years if we do not stop this. But chemtrails have nothing to do with their supposed purpose of slowing down global warming. They are being used to accelerate runaway climate change, to create drought. This summer of 2014 will be the most horrible drought and heat wave we have ever seen. And there will be no food. Fresh produce will be extremely hard to purchase. Please show this video to your friends. This is really, really important.